So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on memory. And then you want to close the applications that are taking up the most memory that you do not need. So for example, if I don't need Discord to be open, I'm going to right click on it and then click on End Task. And then the memory should go down. See if this fixes the problem for you. For the second method, you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Now for the third method, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. So I'm going to leave 3 links down below for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. If you want to know what graphics card you have, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And for me, I have an Nvidia graphics card. So in my case, I'm going to download GeForce Experience. Now that I'm on the software that comes with my graphics card, you want to head over to the drivers tab and then you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on enter. Now once we're on this, we're going to type in temp. Click on enter again. Now once we're on this, we're going to delete all these temporary files. So click on Ctrl A on your keyboard and then click on delete. If you get this, click on do this for all current items and then click on continue. Some files are going to remain, but this will delete most of your temporary files. Now once you complete this method, you want to restart your computer and then that should fix the problem. Now if that's still not working, as a last resort, we're just going to head over to search and then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find DaVinci Resolve. Once you find DaVinci Resolve, you want to click on the 3 dots and click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. Now once you uninstall it, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to re-download DaVinci Resolve. Then you want to restart your computer and then that should fix the problem.